Mastering English, Articles and Occupations. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our series on Mastering English. Today we're going to explore a very specific, but crucial topic: using articles with occupations. Understanding the rules of English articles, a, n, and the, can be quite tricky, especially when talking about our jobs or roles. But don't worry, we'll break it down together. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly are English articles? In English, we have two types of articles: definite, the, and indefinite, a or n. The definite article, the, is used when we talk about a specific thing or person that the listener already knows about. For example, the teacher is in the classroom. Indefinite articles, a and n, are used when we refer to something for the first time or when it's not specific. For example, I saw a cat in the park. Here, the cat is not specific. It could be any cat. When we talk about jobs or occupations, we usually use a or n, because we're not referring to a specific job that the listener already knows about. In English, when we introduce our occupation or job, we use the indefinite article, a or n. This is because we're not talking about a specific job that the listener already knows about, but rather any job of that type. The choice between a and n depends on the sound that follows it. If the job name begins with a vowel sound, we use n, otherwise, we use a. For example, you would say, I am an engineer, not, I am engineer. Similarly, she is a teacher, not, she is teacher. Here are a few more examples. He is a doctor. I am an artist. They are a researcher. It's important to remember that while English speakers often drop the article in casual conversation, it's best to use it in formal and written English. There are, however, some exceptions where you do not need an article. For example, when your occupation is used as a title followed by your name, like Professor Johnson or Captain Smith. Also, when using the verb to be in certain phrases like who wants to be president, no article is used. But these are exceptions to the rule. And that wraps up our discussion on using articles with occupations in English. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering articles. So, try introducing yourself and your job to friends, family, or even your mirror using these rules. The more you practice, the easier it will become. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. See you in the next one where we'll continue our journey to mastering English. Happy learning!